3 simple things that you can do tonight to make your week more productive. So, if you haven't already done this prep for the week, then number one thing you want to do is you want to look at your schedule. You want to make sure that all the things that you need to do for the week are in there. Your prospecting, your client meetings, your things you're doing with your family, everything is in the schedule and time blocked in your calendar. That's number one, both professionally and personally. So make sure everything is in there. You set yourself up for success from the beginning, then you have a much better chance of making everything happen that you want to accomplish this week. And then number two, make sure your workouts are in your schedule as well. You're going to work out, you're going to take a walk, whatever it is you're going to do, some kind of daily exercise to get the blood running and get, prepped for the day. So that is the second thing. Make sure that that's the number three you want to do is make sure that your food is all planned out for the week. So what you're going to have for if you eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, what the worst thing is, I hear my husband say, what do we have for dinner tonight? And you go back and forth with this stupid conversation about what you're going to have for dinner. So you don't want to do that. And also, I'm going to put number 4 in. And number 4 is your clothes. So look at your schedule for the week, look at your closet, see what you want to wear for the week. The worst thing is I hate when I'm up in the morning and I'm staring at the closet. What am I going to wear? Oh my God. Should I wear this? Should I wear that? Should I wear this? And you know what? When you do that, you're taking your decision-making skills and wasting it on stupid things like, what am I going to wear? What am I going to eat? And what does my day look like? It's a complete waste of time. So if you want to be more productive, get these things in check tonight. You still have time to get that done. And every Sunday do this. I've been doing this for quite some time, getting everything in line for the week so that these are things that I do not have to think about, and I can spend my energy on things that I want to do to move my life and my business forward. So let's have a great week, everybody. I know it's going to be a great one this week. So God bless.